Morning. Bonds were bought yesterday, pushing the 10-year yield briefly below 1.3%. Now, relative to previous level, this is deemed lower, and the trend is bolstering risk-on sentiment across other markets. So the S&P and the Nasdaq both rose to new record highs, while the Dow remains inches away from its all-time high. Gold also managed to rise and close just above 1,800. Now, in crypto markets, we're not seeing that much or as much activity. There's plenty of fundamental news that could move us up or down, but buyers and sellers seem to converge at the current 34,000 level. Now, Chartists will recognize a pennant forming and narrowing. Typically, those end up with explosive moves up or down. Maybe I'm giving it to my bias, but I would bet on the upside. Now, as it's been discussed for a while, the Bitcoin dominance is marching lower as alts outperform. So it's great to see Terra, Kusama up 10%, followed by Polkadot 6%, also Maker making some good moves, and Zcash with a tame outperformance up 2%. A great news that came and supported probably the crypto space yesterday and nudged investors towards alts was Visa, partnering up with 50 different crypto companies to allow clients to spend and convert digital currencies. And they also reported that crypto card usage topped 1 billion in the first half of 2021. So the significance of those numbers and those endeavors by a payment provider such as Visa cannot be overstated. And it's also worth noting that with these kinds of announcements, I suspect every payment provider is having a board meeting, if it hasn't already, and asked, what are we doing to remain competitive? Should we go even more boldly into crypto, maybe even DeFi? So it'd be interesting to see what happens. With regards to on-chain data, there are two charts that caught my attention today. One is a Cryptocoin chart tracking the funding rate across all exchanges, and it shows that they remain negative since the mid-May crash. Now, this isn't surprising, but it's a good reminder that, well, those don't tend to remain negative forever. If anything, a very negative funding rate typically signals an over-bearishness and then a reversal. The second chart comes from Glassnode and tracks Bitcoin activity at various price points. So it's fascinating to see that the current level is experiencing a lot of transactions, even more than when we were in, say, 10, 12K in that consolidation period pre-rally. So I'll let you think of that whatever you will. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.